Today, we're going to be making believe that you need to clean up blocks. So first, you're going to be building with the blocks because you kids like to make a big mess, right? So first, I'm going to put out this many blocks. How many blocks did you put onto the counter? Count them. And then you put more blocks onto the counter. How many do you have now? Count them. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you made an even bigger mess and you put more blocks onto the table. So you have 2 more blocks that you made a big mess with. How many would it be if you have 5 and 2 more? Let's think. Now count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have 7 blocks. Then you found even more blocks that you wanted to use. So you got 2 more blocks out of the box and put them on the counter. How many blocks do you have now? You had 7. 7 and 2 more makes how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now you have 9 blocks on the counter. Then you decided that you wanted 1 more. 9 and 1 more makes how many blocks on the counter? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now you have 10 blocks on the counter, but Mommy's calling. It's time to clean up. So you clean up 2 blocks. Now, how many blocks do you have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 blocks left, but you still need to clean up. So Mommy's calling again. Time to clean up. Let's take away 1 more block. If you had 8 and you take away 1 block, how many do you have left? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now you have 7 blocks on the counter, but you still need to clean up. What happens if you take away 1 block? You had 7. If I take away 1, how many would I have left? Did you count them correctly? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You have 6 blocks on the counter. Now you still need to clean up because it's still time to get everything nice and neat. So if you have 6 blocks on the counter and you take away 1, how many blocks would you have now? Count them. Did you count 5? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Good job. Now you have 5 blocks on the counter. What happens if you take away 2? So let's take away 2 blocks. How many do you have left? Did you count 3? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. But your little brother, sister, cousin comes over to play. They're not ready to clean up yet. So you have 3 blocks and they took out 1 more block. How many blocks do you have now? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And your cousin's still making a bigger mess and took out 2 more blocks. How many blocks would be there then? You have 4, and now you're taking and putting out 2 more blocks. How many blocks do you have all together? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you have 6 blocks on the counter. And that little cousin or brother or sister is still making a big mess. I know that's what Ava sometimes does for Kylie. just when she's cleaning up, a bigger mess happens. So you have 6 blocks and 2 more get put on the counter. How many do you have now? Let's see if you counted correctly. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. But you say, no, 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 it's time to clean up. So you take away 1 block. How many blocks do you have then? Count them. Did you count 7? Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you know you really need to clean up. You're getting hungry. It's almost time for dinner. So now you're going to take away 2 blocks. How many blocks do you have left? Count them. Let's see how many. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You're getting closer to being all cleaned up. Now what would happen if you take away 2 more blocks? How many would you have left? 5 take away 2 is how many? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Now, you still need to clean up because it's almost time for dinner. How many blocks would you have if you took away 1 block? And count it. Let's count it together. 1, 2. Very good. What happens if you take away 2 blocks? How many would you have left? Did you count 0? That would be good. You did a good job cleaning. Uh-oh, you think that cousin is coming over again? I hope not. We don't want a big mess again. Good counting, guys.